Okay, Caden is a scootin'. Today is October 6th. He is 6 months and 1 week. Come get it, buddy. There you go. Good job. Daddy keeps moving it. It's like, oh, I think I'm going to get the football instead. Okay, try one more time. There you go. He's moved about 5 feet across the floor, going forward. Good job, buddy. Hey. Liam, do you want to say hi? Come say hi. Oh, the window's kind of bright. See Caden's crawling. Good job. Okay, bye-bye.